All right, so I am reviewing past bar exam uh, questions, no. So I'm using a margin note nga app. Actually kining mga questions, like for example kini siya na ani siya sa year 2017 nga bar exam questions. So actually kini nga gihimo nako karon, no, just for kanang disclaimer, testing kanagaling kuan man ni siya, practice, no, answering bar exam questions, and at the same time disclaimer nga kini for educational purpose only, no. And also ako ning gi-record nga ako sang i-share online, YouTube kung Facebook nga page nadara para ni sa ako, no, o reference, no. Okay, so actually kini nga app nga nindot ni siya, nindot is kuha man na subjective. So mo ni ang question, and then ang sample din is I can write my suggested answer, no, suggested answer ang kuha, but kuha man na kining handwritten, no, but pwede po siya typewritten. Ako na i-off niya, say I'll type ano ba. So na may idea ba't ganahan ko mag handwritten kining gamiton og Wacom, no, tablet. So go back, balik ta. So anak kanindot ani actually every time nga i-open na ko magkuha ni siya bag-o ni dinhi, mawagtang to akong gihimo. Actually naa man ni siya history, makita po dito. Anyway, kung mag-answer na po kog balik, let's say ako i-apply ang IRAC analysis, which is issue, kung sa issue, no, issue ay man na issue, and then R is the rule or the ruling, A is the application, so, and then C conclusion. Alright, so sa problem, no, ako lang ning i-reiterate diha, but you can read it anyway, no, about sa violation sa RA 3019, si engineer, and then og usa ka private contractor, no, they are charged in conspiracy sa ilahang ilang gitrabaho, and then they are going investigation sa Office of the Ombudsman, and then while sa investigation namatay si engineer, magnanakaw, no, and then si private contractor is Mr. Porkchop, no, nindot kini mga panganda, and then immediately filed a motion to terminate the investigation kini si Porkchop kay namatay na kuno si katong public officer, no, kay mahog man ni siya og mahog ni siya public official, no, kay taga government man, DPWH unya. Si Porkchop ni file siya og motion to terminate the investigation nga pa-dismiss kay namatay. Ang iyang argument is that namatay man ang kauban niya na sa charge of conspiracy, and there was no longer a conspiracy to speak up. Mana iyang argument. The question here ang kuan dinhi, ang question nga gipose sa problem or for this question is rule on the motion to terminate filed by Mr. Porkchop with brief reasons. Brief anang idiotra, but anyway akong naghimhimo naman kong answer ni, just for the sake of recording. Ako nag-record, and then akong mag sample ko na kuha. So So ano man na issue noon sa issue conspiracy man siya, and then sa may ruling kung mamatay ang ano man na sa conspiracy collective no ang iyahang kuan kanang one for all or for one. So conspiracy man na. So kung namatay ang liability or the existence of conspiracy, i-prove pa man na no kay under investigation, but dili man na pasabot nga ang conspiracy nawa na conspiracy kay namatay na imong partner no. So kung liable i-prove pa man na, so liable siya sa conspiracy although namatay itong usa, siya magpabilin gihapon, i-try gihapon. So mo na ang ruling. So ang rule ana is that basta kato siya nga akong gi-mention nga individual man ang liability ana no. So liable ang usa, kung matay ang usa di magpasabot nga mamatay pod ang iyahang liability no. Buhi pa man siya. So i-apply na to sa case, although private person siya, contractor kanang nya din under investigation man, so i-try gihapon siya no, or dili ang kuan ni is dili siya or ang iyahang motion shall be denied mo ni siya conclusion. So applying the ALAC IRAC man na siya, then ALAC dayon. Once ma-determine ang IRAC, you answer the bar question in the ALAC form. Answer ani is actually kabaon nakuha naman na ako, but gi-record lagi. So Mr. Porkchop, ang answer ani is the motion to terminate the investigation filed by Mr. Porkchop shall be denied. Ano man na. The law provides under the rules of court the law provides that the death of a person shall extinguish his criminal liability before judgment. But in the case of conspiracy, the death of co-conspirator shall not extinguish the liability. Lahi yun yung magstorya o ka na mag-type no, kay maka-form pa man kaukuan. So okay, so yan na dayon here application dayon here. Mr. Porkchop i-apply ang case here. Mr. Porkchop was charged with charge under RA 3019 with conspiracy of engineer magnanakaw. His liability shall not be extinguished just because of the death of Mr. Magnanakaw or Engineer Magnanakaw ana. And then hence conclusion na yon. Sakto bitaw ko ang kuan. So sa mao na siya, but inka-type ana English pa ka. Actually mao na ni ron. Mao na ni ron ang akong gi kuan no, kay na amin ni say ini ka-click na kuan ni no sa kuan next. Nana ni siya answer sa bar katong mga suggested answer no. So mao na nakabutan daw, the motion to terminate should be denied. Nya nagbutang siya kanang jurisprudence, the Supreme Court ruled the above policy of the state, the intent that to repress public officers or private persons that constitute corrupt practices ma-frustrate or would be frustrated if the death of a public officer would bar the prosecution of private person which is public officer violating. So and then since ang kanang absence or presence of conspiracy factual in nature, so it means sa investigation adto pa na i-determine ang probable cause no, if there is a probability or probably is guilty of such crime. Mo na siya ang answer. Mo na, that's why. But here, this the idea nga, or I mean idea. Akong iko ano, kining AI ron DeepSeek. Right, so akong gi cut din niya karon continuation ni. Oh, rab. Limpyo na akong naong kay naligo ray ko. So, mo ni siya karon. Ha? Gani pang close na ni. Akong giingon kining DeepSeek, no. Actually, ang AI karon ako i-touch ni but briefly lang. Gamit ni siya is a tool, no? Or tools. Okay, we have different types of large language model for reasoning, for general knowledge, and mathematics, all the domain or sphere of learning or knowledge, no. So lalain siya, so kini siya reasoning niya. Actually kining DeepSeek, no, for context, wala pa ni siya mo blow up, nigamit ako ni mga last month or like last year ba to. Anyway, so katong ganina, no, nga bar exam question sa 2017, akong gi-instruct ang DeepSeek narabay sa OpenAI kay Deep Research. So akong gi-instruct siya, so answer the following bar exam question in remedial law. So remedial law akong gi-specific, pero kabawan ni siya sa Philippines ni siya nga target because of the nuance regarding sa ako ang previous nga conversations about sa Philippines. Okay, so next question, next line is akong gi-instruct siya nga follow the IRAC analysis. So na question bar legal problem, no, sa bar exam. So i-analyze niya using the IRAC analysis, so issue, ruling, application, conclusion, and then mo proceed siya to format his answer or its answer di ay kay dili man ni siya tao. So using the ALAC method, no, or CLR, but usually pinaka effective ALAC. Anyway, CLR is ALAC, more or less the same rana. So ALAC method, unsa man ni siyang ALAC, no, ALAC, answer, legal basis, application, and conclusion. So next niya mo na to ang question. Okay. Okay, so usually manggod kita prompting ba naman na may gitawag nga prompt engineering. So you need to master how to kanagaling instruct sa LLM, no, large language model, to manipulate unsay imuhang mo man ang concept ani is that you or ask the right questions in order to arrive or to give you a right answers or correct answers. Na later on imo pa i-refined using prompt engineering, prompt capabilities kanang prompting, no. So makakuan ka og nindot nga answer. Next naa siya, I think actually based on their manual, kay na may mga more error kini gadaghang kay ni siya kanang reiteration or kanang attempt kay busy pirmi, no, umot unsay gibisihan. So nay nakabutang dari think, so mao ni siya ang kuan kay para dili mag error ba. So naa siya thought process niya is 36 seconds, so nag-reasoning siya. So to give you idea kung imo ni siyang basahon, ang concept magod ani niya is once nga na siya problem or kanang gikuan diha, no, instruct nga na problem, mura siya chain of thought, COT mo man ni siya. COT is chain of thought, nga mag-reasoning siya, reasoning nya mag-arrive siya into katong answer niya. So that's why na siya nani, oh. So actually kanang nagsulti siya ani na siya gi-discuss, but at the back end nag-analyze na siya. So ano niya iyang gitan-aw dito reference mo na dugay ni nganong dugay. Ang reasoning model is lahi kaysa general model katong paspas kay mo answer dayon because dili sila parihas og kuan mo na sometimes uban kung makakuan nato kanagaling natay at least enough understanding sa LLM makabawta nga inana day na siya. So nag-reasoning siya and then nag-analyze siya first I need to kung death sa accused in a criminal proceeding nya wala pa final judgment ang criminality before arraignment mo na siya but after arraignment yan namatay wala pending appeal or wala pa final judgment ang criminality ko namatay patay gina wala na gyud distinguished but the civil liability was also distinguished but before the arraignment mo survive ana na siya basta the civil liability kay ko na kini akong gi-mention di wala ni siya labot sa civil liability ako lang ni siyang gi-reiterate sa ako ang nahibaw-an diha sa rule 111 as regards the criminal and the civil aspect sa crime. So kung dunay let's say from the crime ang iyang civil liability is from the crime itself mo to ma-extinguish no. So mo ni siya ang iyahang kuan kung ato ning padakan be think makita ra man siguro diha kung siya i-zoom. So I need to remember ingon siya I need to remember the rules regarding the death of the accused in criminal proceeding. And then generally mo man ni siya the criminality extinguished but this does apply sa katong namatay. Kung sa conspiracy gali namatay ang katong conspirator di masan pasabot nga mo mamatay pod wala na pod siya mawa ang conspiracy kung namatay ang imuhang co-conspirator. So conspiracy criminal law the act of one is the act of all. But if one dies, does that dissolve the conspiracy? So naghimo siya kuan yo thinking process no. Nagkuan ba kata akong gingon nga nag-analyze pa yes or no. Para ba siya chain of thought? Para ba sa katong matrix gali? Ana ni siya. Pero ato lang gibasa din he is from top to bottom but actually sa iyahang back end ana nag-analyze na siya parallel dili siya successive kung sa series pa o kanagaling sa series o katong naay parallel ano ba sa electronics. And the death of one conspirator doesn't negate the existence of conspiracy. So niya pag humana na nagkuan ba siya naghuna pa siya ba. So in this case the charges are still under investigation. So kung ma-remember ko sa rule 111 section 3 man siguro to ang mga officers nga mo handle og investigation kana prosecutor na prosecutor katong judges sa lower court wala na and then other officers of the law so appeal na ning office of the ombudsman kay maka-investigate man siya na maka preliminary investigation no. So ang purpose sa preliminary investigation ang iyahang keyword na is probable cause no probability that probability of guilt the probable cause. So the question is whether the death of the accused during the process affects the case against the other. So kung tanaw nimo the argument of conspiracy is incorrect. Logic. The conspiracy once established make each doesn't mean the others can't be prosecuted. Okay, so mao man iyang reasoning so naa din siya iyang final answer diri. Okay, so answer mao din siya A sa alak. The motion to terminate the investigation and dismiss the charges filed by Mr. Porkchop should be denied. Yan, sa legal basis. Kini kay sa Philippine man pero under the law provides or under the law or say the law provides imo lang ni usbon din napita niya kama the death of an accused during the pendency of criminal proceeding extinguishes the criminal liability. Mo ni siya general rule. So ani ni siya under the law, the general rule is that the death of an accused during the pendency of criminal proceedings extinguishes their criminal liability. Sakto ba ni? Dili sa ko na i-check ang kuan kay ang sa LLM ra ba mag-hallucinate, sometimes incorrect ang yahang mga provisions article og kuan iyang i-provide. Mo na siya akong na-observe most. So however diri, this applies only to the katong namatay, and dili siya does not automatically absolve surviving co-accused charge under a conspiracy theory. Conspiracy, once established, renders each conspirator individually liable for the crime. People versus Peralta. So again, this is not the reference, wala din ako nigi-fact check, no. Patanong pa ni kung correct ba na siya diha or diha. Correct ba siya diha or not, because general rule po sa LLM, they hallucinate, no, but not everything. The Office of the Ombudsman retains authority to investigate and prosecute surviving accused if probable cause exists. So sa preliminary investigation kining probable cause man ni. And then so mo na dili siya denied just because namatay. Dili i-allow ang katong iyahang request, no, and it should be denied. So application, applying the legal basis to the case. So in this case, injured that terminates the proceeding against him. So ana ang pag-answer as regards the application. So itubag sa ang nice. Actually nindot ni siya pagkahanay sa iyang answer, no. Naagi ni merit gali ni sa although suggested answer ni siya, wala man kita answer gid sa examiner nga mao gina, no, suggested lang. But gini siya sakto ni kay mukha man siya sa law nga katong namatay ang criminality, patay, extinguish na po ang yang liability, no. So mo apply lang ang katong death ni magnanakaw, ang proceeding against him wala na as regards the criminal liability, extinguished na. Mamani ang gisgot diri, wala man ang civil liability. But it does not negate the conspiracy. So how about kang Mr. Porkchop, no? So it will not negate or does not negate the conspiracy against Mr. Porkchop. Nindot kay pangan Porkchop. The Ombudsman's investigation focuses on determining probable cause. Okay, i-determine pa na kung liable ba siya for the crime of R8319, no, in conspiracy with Engineer Magnanakaw. So the death of one conspirator does not retroactively dissolve the conspiracy or erase the surviving. Taas naman kani, but dito na lang kutog kung diyan application, no. The Ombudsman may proceed, pwede kini dapita against Mr. Porkchop if evidence sufficiently implicates him in allegation of violation of RA 3019 is irrespective of injury na ako dit. And then conclusion dayon. So indo to lacks merit, may siya denied. So yung conclusion, so Mr. Porkchop's motion lacks merit. And then the charge against him may proceed immediately. His conspiracy to survive the death of question during implementation. The Ombudsman should continue his investigation to determine probable cause against him. Nice. I think di lang siguro kutob. And until next.